StudyMojo.com.
Yes, next question is from 7.2. Question number 6. The question here is, if 1, 2, 4y, x, 6, and 3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find x and y. Find x and y. The given 4 points taken in order are the 4 vertices of a parallelogram. It is given that the 4 points are the vertices of a parallelogram. Now we have to find out the values of x and y. For that, draw a rough sketch of a parallelogram. Naming it as A, B, C and D. The coordinates of A 1, 2, coordinates of B 4y, coordinates of C x 6 and coordinates of D is 3, 5. We are joining AC to obtain the diagonal. Here AC is a diagonal and joining BD we get the second diagonal. This is the second diagonal and the point of intersection of the two diagonals we are taking it as O. O is the point of intersection of the two diagonals AC and BD. We are starting from that. Let O be the point of intersection of the two diagonals AC and BD. We are taking O, the point O as the point of intersection of the two diagonals AC and BD. Now O is the midpoint of AC and O is the midpoint of BD. O is the midpoint of AC and BD. O is the midpoint of AC and BD. So, we can find out the coordinates of O. Therefore, coordinates of O. We can write it as formula for finding the midpoint. x1 plus x2 by 2. y1 plus y2 by 2 is the coordinates. Now, coordinates of O is x1 plus x2, 1 plus x by 2, 1 plus x by 2 and y coordinates 2 plus 6 by 2, 2 plus 6 by 2. This is equal to 1 plus x by 2 we are writing as it is and 2 plus 6 which is equal to 8 and 8 by 2 is equal to 4. The coordinate of O, we obtained it as 1 plus x by 2 and the second coordinate is 4. Now again we are finding the coordinates of O. This is equal to 4 plus 3 by 2, 4 plus 3 by 2 and y plus 5 by 2, y plus 5 by 2. This is equal to 4 plus 3, 7 by 2 and y plus 5 by 2. Equating x coordinates. We are getting 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. 2 and 2 get cancelled. Therefore, 1 plus x is equal to 7. Therefore, x is equal to 7 minus 1. That is, x is equal to 6. The value of x is equal to 6. Now, equating y coordinates. We are getting y plus 5 by 2. Y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 4. So, cross multiplying y plus 5 is equal to 8. Therefore, y plus 5 is equal to 8. So y is equal to 8 minus 5, that is y is equal to 3 are the two values. X is equal to 6 and y is equal to 3. All the four vertices, coordinates of vertices are given. From that we are finding the point of intersection of the two diagonals. We are taking O as the point of intersection of the two diagonals, and O is the midpoint of AC and O is the midpoint of BD also. Finding the coordinates and equating the x coordinates, we will get the value of x, and equating the y coordinates, we will get the value of y. X is equal to 6 and y is equal to 3 are the two values. Okay.